Hello YouTube followers and friends. So some of you know that I bought a Mercedes ML500 here in Rhode Island for $500 from a dubious character who was, I suppose, honest, just difficult to deal with. Anyway, there's a huge scraping sound from this car, from this truck, this SUV. It scrapes when it drives, huge scraping sound. And so I did look at the forums, and I found that this thing can have a bad carrier bearing on the drive shafts. So here's the front drive shaft, right where? Right there. That one looks replaced, and of course the front drive shaft doesn't really have a carrier bearing. I'm looking to see how the engine looks for leaks and all that stuff. It doesn't look too bad under here. There's not much leaking out of this thing, which is really amazing for a 2005 vehicle, which is now 13 years old. This thing's been in Massachusetts, and there's not much rust under here either, which is really shocking. This thing is from Barnstable, I know that. Cape Cod. So anyway, here is the back drive shaft, and the carrier bearing is under this member here. So the camera won't pick it up too well, but this carrier bearing is loose. I can wiggle the drive shaft and the carrier bearing is loose, so maybe the camera can catch the looseness of this thing. I have this truck parked up on a berm. You can see the berm is right here, and the room under here. There's a lot of tension on the drive shaft, I suppose. Anyway, yeah, I can feel play in this drive shaft when I wiggle it at the carrier bearing. I just can't get a good picture of this thing for you folks. Okay, let me try it here. Can you hear it? Anyway, the carrier bearing does look loose here. I can wiggle this thing up and down a bit. So that's probably my my scraping noise I hear. So sorry this video is not the greatest quality here for you. There's the other end of the drive shaft, back drive shaft. I guess I could buy this. Is a long drive shaft, boy. I guess I could buy this thing, buy a whole drive shaft for the carrier bearing. Okay folks, well, thanks for watching and have a great day.